Hi, I'm Allie Scullin, and for my intervention, I chose to do Soundbox for segmenting phonemes. And I really like this one because um, I would definitely use this in a classroom because it's quick and easy and it's really effective. So you're gonna have cards like these. I would normally, this is a hat obviously, but I would normally print it out so it's a better drawing so the kids can really like know what it is. For example, here's a cat. And then you're going to make 3 squares. Well, it depends on the word, but the words that we're doing today are going to be 3 squares. And I would normally laminate these so that when the kids are going to write in on it, you can wipe it off and you can use it again. So a main part, like the reason that we do this is to help with letter recognition and sound letter correspondence, and it really helps you find the phoneme. It helps the kids with this sound because if I see a student struggling with being able to sound out a word when reading, let's say the words shark, okay? They might go s, k, and that's not how shark sounds. And yeah, it's different because it's using a diaphragm, so it's obviously a little harder. But this will help help the students be able to indicate each sound that they say. So, for example, we're going to take hat, and we have tokens. You can use whatever you want, but I have these little blue things. And what I would do is I would demonstrate it first to the student. So I'd be like, all right, I know this is a hat, but what are the squares for? It goes hat. And then the student could go hat. And then you could do this over and over again with this one. And you could do other words, like another easier one would be cat. And maybe the student goes first. They will go cat. One of the trickier ones, which I actually already wrote in the red because it would be different if it was dry erase. I could take this off. But this is a duck, obviously. But a lot of students might see 3 blocks and they might think, all right, a duck only has 3 letters. Well, they know when they pronounce it, when they sound it out, they go d, k, duck, d, k, duck. So the red part is, this would be the next part, I'll take it with this one, would be filling in the letters. So now instead of using the tiles, they could use the letters. So they'll go k, a, t, cat. So the reason I like this one so much is because it shows that CK is one sound in this word. It's d, k. It's not d, k, So this is very useful for words like these, and this also will help the students who have struggle with diaphragms and understanding them. This will show that they are one sound together even though they are 2 letters. Overall, I think that this is a very useful activity for all different ages, because you could do this with the younger kids with easier words, and then when the kids start learning more, it can go up into harder words, more sounds, and you can even start to break into syllables and make it more intense. But just the standard, I think that it's a really important activity that would be nice to use in a classroom.